Okay, mayong gabi sa tanan 'no. If kanang naay bitaw nga case nga if you try to open the Salbertech Learning Management System and it will pop up an update, even though nga kini bago ra ka nag-update to Emerald Brains, and actually the latest version of our LMS is version 31.0.1 Emerald Brains 'no. And still, if you are going to open your LMS, ayaw di mo siya update, it will pop up to update. And also, if you click update and then just say yes, it will throw an error which is something like this, no? Um, so at the start, the system will try to check for updates, and then if updates found, it will throw an error that the request was aborted, could not create, no? So what we're going to do here is we just click the start button. Again, it will start with our Salbertech Learning Management System. What we're going to do here is we just need to close this one, and we will manually fix the issue, no? So we will just try to open a folder. We will try to navigate this location. So from the folder, we just need to go to this PC and look for drive C. And from the drive C, you should see here folder Silvertech files, no? We will open that one, Silvertech files, and also we will open database, no? Right after that, we will look for updater. So we will just scroll down para makita natin yung updater. So I think there's the updater. Then we will try to open the updater, and then uh, we can see two files, no, updater. Sa akin nakita kasi dito yung file extension updater.exe, and then yung sa baba na updater.ini. Yung gagawin natin is we're going to open that updater.ini. We just need to double click that one to open. And then dito po sa file na to, meron tayong nakikitang version code which is 38. So we will just replace that 38. We will just plus 1, add 1 from that number. So that's it should be 39 for now, no? So after that, just save file and then save, and then okay, close the updater and then minimize the folder, and we will try to open the Silvertech Learning Management System and see if the update pop up dyan. Okay. So ito na po. So hindi na po siya naka-update. So yun lang po yung fix niya. Okay, I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.